Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Good,
Yeah,
thank you. They're making bundis.
Oh, yeah, it's nice.
Clubs. They are traditionally used for war fighting,
Oh, okay.
hunting. You know, say
Okay, hunting. Yeah.
a snake went up the hole, you dig him out,
Oh,
hit him in the head,
oh, yeah.
take a kangaroo down, but he's not dead.
Yeah.
Bad husbands.
That's I like it. No, it's too rude.
Oh, well, you know.
Yeah. Nice. This one for the baby?
No. Probably that one up there, see the bigger one?
Ah, yeah,
They
this
make a
one.
bigger
This
one.
one's there. Cradle okay.
Very heavy, be careful.
Yeah. Это для ребенка. Короче, всякие вот настоящие бумеранги. И вот всякие эти. И вот это австралийское, это dot painting. Они в основном точкам рисуют.